In this video, we're going to go over a couple of points on safety when you're using test kit reagents for on-site water testing. Some of the reagents you will handle for these tests may be hazardous. The label will tell you the main hazards associated with individual reagents, as well as suggested precautionary measures. Safety data sheets are available from Feedwater Limited for any reagents supplied by us. Email msds@feedwater.co.uk to request current versions if required. We strongly suggest that you use any COSH assessment format recommended by your own organisation. The quantities of chemical used in these tests, and therefore the potential for exposure, is generally low, provided you have sensible precautionary measures in place. Appropriate PPE for this activity would be gloves, safety specs, goggles or face visor. Good hygiene practices are essential when handling any chemical. Please ensure that you store these reagents securely away from areas where food is prepared or consumed. We don't expect these test kits to be used outside of a workplace setting, but we'll say anyway that our test kits and reagents must be kept secured and out of reach of children. Finally, do ensure that you clear away all test solutions and reagents, then wash your hands after completing your testing.